guys, ito na yung aming final na luggage, final outcome. Beno, tatapon pa namin yung mga yun. And that's it. We're ready. We're back. Tayo ko lang si Pao ngayon kasi nagtapon ng basura si Pao. At kung nakikita nyo ako ngayon, mukha akong ewan kasi you have to wear comfortably. You have to be comfortable. English pa more. So, kailangan mo magsuot ng comfortable kasi comfortable, Tagalog na Tagalog. Kailangan magsuot ng comfortable. Comfortable kasi yung journey na gagawin namin ay 14 hours journey. Na ako naglagay ng kahit na anong makeup muna. Sunscreen lang and lipstick. And that's it. And something like to cover my hair because this is very annoying hair. Kasi wala na akong time na maligo. So, yup. So, Nam. Yup. Nice. Really enjoy it.
Nobody can enjoy it.
Another chapter.
Now this is my entire life in this car. The clothing, the stuff, and the car.
Yeah, right now. This is your life.
This is my life in this car.
So, hindi na kami mag-goodbye sa nanay ni Pao kasi tulog pa siya. Mahirapan lang din siya mag-goodbye sa amin ng the last time.
Okay, I'm going to throw it, okay?
So, hindi na namin siya dadaanan. Nag-final goodbye na kami kahapon. And, yeah. Hindi ka pa rin ma-accept katulad ng sabi ni Paul. Wala na, hindi na kami babalik dito. Ito yung naging pahinga sa nakakapagod na buhay. Sa nakakapagod na responsibilidad sa buhay. Arte. Anyway. Okay, silo ko. Time check nga pala, 6:17 ng aming journey. And this is our new start. And we have a rainbow there again, love. We have a rainbow again. We have a rainbow again.
Wishing
here.
us good luck, good road.
Yeah. Like God saying, it's a new start. It's a new start. So ngayon guys, hindi ako makagalaw sa aking upuan kasi ang dami kong katabi. Ayan. May tinapay. May tinapay pa akong katabi. Kasi hindi ako nag-breakfast. Minom lang ako ng hot chocolate kanina. Kasi naglinis pa kami bago umalis. Ready, love?
Yeah.
The tires is done?
Yep. And now I need to set. We need to set it. Somewhere. In settings, tires, set. Do all tires match? Yes. Kind of far.
Tire
You
pressure.
have to do that. So if there is lost pressure in tire, you will get notification.
Oh, really?
Bim, yeah.
Very good, love.
We'll get and then next stop will be the fuel.
Next is the fuel, guys. So, fuel naman ang next. Ganda ng sunrise, oh. Hi! Wala naman kami dito ngayon para sa coffee.
Will go?
I don't want to go.
Okay.
Ayan, dito na si Pao, guys. hindi makapasok. Ginawa. What up?
Locked you, love?
You lock me!
Sorry!
You lock me inside! Love, sorry. Sit a bit, you want? Okay.
Want mocha?
Mocha?
Mocha.
Good. Parami ang seatmate ko, guys. Meron na akong 1 kilong chips dito. Monay! Wow!
One pepper now.
Yay! Kaya?
That's what the poop from the car.
Car is ready. Ready na ang car. The tires is ready. Ready na ang mga gulong. We have a coffee. We have a snack. And ready na kami sa aming 14 hours of drive. Right, love?
Now, 14-hour journey in total with a break.
With a
Driving
break.
left.
Okay. It's with a break, okay? Not an extreme non-stop. It's with a break, okay guys? Don't misunderstood me. With a break. Yeah. Para na akong sinipong bigla kasi lumabas ako para i-film si Pao and then ang lamig sa labas. 11 degree. 13 degree, no? It was? It is now, right now? 11 degree. And I'm wearing jacket already and a long sleeve and I still feel cold. Ay, nilamig pa rin ako. Uy, ay. Anyway, pupunta tayo sa Poland at 18 degree doon ngayon. Anyway, mas prepare ko ang cold Don't get me wrong. I always prepare cold and hot ba. Ay, nagsasalita ako ng English, Taglish para maka-relate si Pao, okay? I don't want Pao to feel out of place. Kaya, isama natin siya sa conversation natin. Muna kami dito sa may rito, gasoline station. Malapit na kami sa border ng Poland at Lithuania. So, ihilang kami at kailangan na yung sinipaw yung data namin dahil wala kaming data. Okay na yung data, nice na ni Pao, bumili na siya ng load na roaming.
Going to
So,
remove the jacket.
okay. So, limited lang ang aming data kasi siya lang yung bumili, hindi na ako bumili. Dahil magwa-wifi na lang ako mamaya sa hotel para i-upload yung video. So, yun, papunta na kami ng Warsaw ba? Warsaw.
Probably will take us because we have so much stuff.
Guys, we are...
You have your Spanish here?
Yes. I have my passport here. So, they're checking,
But
guys, here.
Spanish one, not like Filipino. Spanish.
So,
Permit in Europe.
yeah. So, they're checking here the borders.
Mine
because
also passport.
they're checking here in the borders kasi marami ng illegal immigrant. So, sobrang strict nila ngayon.
Take mine also. I'm afraid that it's somewhere in the stuff and they're like, oh no.
We're done.
Oh no.
Malapit na ang turn natin. At dahil tayo ay Asian, masyado tayong noticeable sa mga mata nila.
First time having border like this now.
Right? So yeah, how much we travel before. Sobrang dami na ng pinag-travelan namin ni Pao. So ngayon lang kami mag-stop sa may borders na ganito. And it seems like they're Lithuanian, no?
No, Polish.
Oh, they are Polish.
That's a Polish. In Lithuania side, Lithuania checking
Uh-huh.
a bit, but Lithuania not really checking. The Polish checking, not
Okay, so there are Polish people that is checking right now.
because Poland people is sick of illegal immigrants coming from Lithuania.
Oh no. So it's our turn now. So guys, they checking the passport here kasi marami na silang illegal immigrants. So nandito kami ngayon sa border ng Lithuania, Poland. So Poland yung nag-check. Tingnan nila yung kung may permit ka. Kung may permit ka rito.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice your documents.
Huh?
Where going?
Spain.
Spain?
Yeah.
The holidays or you live there?
Holidays.
Holidays,
Yeah.
yeah. Can I see your bag?
Yes, of course.
Check man nila yung bag namin.
It will be very long holidays. So.
Okay.
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 They just wanted to see if there's no hiding person, you know, laying.
So, yep. Na-check na kami. At chinek nila yung likod ng kotse para tingnan if walang nagtatagong person doon. Alam nyo na, syempre, baka mamaya mayroon kaming walang undocumented person na kasama. So, chinecheck nila. Ang lakas ng ulan dito, oy. There's na kaming nagda-drive ngayon. At 6:30 nagda-drive ngayon. Di ako kasama. Ano lang, passenger princess. So, 6 hours na nagda-drive si Par with 1 hour break. At lumampas na kami sa Warsaw, dito sa Poland. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa Czechia. And after Czechia, diretso naman kami sa Austria. Dahil 5 hours pa ang aming journey. So, order muna kami sa McDo.
Salad look.
Kain lang kami. Thank you, love.
Pork.
Caesar salad. Huli. Yummy. Itadakimasu. Kanos. So, anong pakiramdam ng nagro-road trip? Anong pakiramdam ng nagro-road trip sa loob ng bobo na ako? Uy, makapag-isip ng maayos. So, anong pakiramdam na nagro-road trip ng 3 country? We travel to start sa Lithuania, Poland, Czech, tapos Austria. 4 country. Uy, 4 country tayo. Anong pakiramdam na nagro-road trip dito sa Europe? Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod po, nakakahagard. Yan ang reality. Yung mga nagbablog na ang saya-saya pagkatapos na no, ang nakakapagod. Of course, it's fun eh. It's fun. You see things. Yun, nakakita ka ng mga bagong bagay. Sa mga gustong, sa mga siguro nag-i-enjoy ng nakaupo at nagro-road trip, for sure, yes, magugustuhan mo. Pero sa mga mahihiluhin na katulad ko, it's a struggle is real. Anyway, nagsimula ang mga views sa mga village area. Now naman, ang aming view ay halos mga mountain na. Kasi ang Austria ay for mountain. Marami silang mountain. So, yeah. Ang hirap siguro nitong i-edit. Ano ba yan? Mga pinagsasabi ko, puro mga random stop. Let's see.
Oh, you said 4 countries, right?
Yeah. No, Lithuania, Poland,
And Czechia.
Czechia, and then Austria.
Well, yeah, I mean, we came from middle of Lithuania, so basically we crossed it.
Right? Hours na kami nagta-travel ni Pao. At 2 hours more to go.
Trust.
2 hours more to go, guys. Pagod na kami. Kaso mas mukha akong pagod. Sabi niya sa akin kanina, nag-aalala na daw siya sa akin. Kasi, mukha daw ako yung nag-drive. Ako yung mas mukhang pagod, guys.
No, actually, surprisingly, I feel not too bad.
You drink 2 cups of coffee.
I drink a cup of coffee.
I drink only once, like a sip to you, you know?
But still, I thought it would be harder, actually.
Oh, really?
But my head a bit starting to hurt.
Right?
I think because of lack of sleep and a lot of coffee.
Ito na kami officially sa Austria. At alam nyo ba na
Australia.
nung bago pa lang ako dito sa Europe, hindi ko kilala yung Austria. Kaya sabi ko sa customer ko, tiga Australia ka. Hindi ko na-realize that time. Pensim joke pala yun sa mga Austrian people. Kasi yun yung common joke pa sa kanila. Anyway, itong Austria, kung hindi nyo alam, ay malapit sa Switzerland. Kapitbahay lang niya yung Switzerland. So, malapit lang yung border nila. Okay, guys. We only have 1 hour and a half. And we are gonna be there. Bakit ba ako nagsasalita ng English? I'm speaking in English.
Because you speak to me in English.
So, malapit na tayo doon. 1 hour and a half na lang. At, kailangan natin dumating doon sa hotel ng 10 p.m. At currently, 8 na ng gabi. So, may 2 hours pa tayo. Just enough of time. Kasi, kapag hindi kami nakarating doon, patay. Patay ang mga people. Matutulog sa labas. Diba? What if we didn't manage to go there in time?
Then we can try to search hotel that is available 24 hours.
We will not sleep.
Or we could try to sleep here.
I don't have a... Guys, 12 minutes na lang ang kailangan na 12 minutes na lang. Ando na kami. At guys, mali yung nadaanan kasi yun yung tinuro ni Wase, yung application na ginagamit ni Pao papunta sa hotel. At DJI Osmo transmitter 100, what is this? 10% remaining. Guys, lumbat na ang ating mic. So, mali yung nadaanan namin na daanan, pero nandito na kami. Hindi kami makapag-U-turn. Walang pag-U-turnan, pero hindi naman kami nag-iisang sasakyan na nagkamali. Yun man sa harap namin, mali yung tinake nila. So, we'll see. 13 minutes na lang naman. Nandun na kami. Nakakakapa.
There is no cameras here.
I hope so also. Mike is deciding.
Yeah. Go. Oh, it's red. Shoot.
So, nakaredy na yung passport namin. Sinuot ko na rin yung aking sapatos kasi wala akong sapatos kanina. Nakubad. Para takbo na lang kami.
The eyes not even showing that road.
Yeah, that's the thing, right, love?
Oh, now showing. Shoot. Okay, this is this. Okay.
What?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, ayun na. Ito yung hotel. Ayun. Yeah. Ay. Ayun yung hotel. Dito kami. So, kailangan lang mag-U-turn. Kinakabahan ng mga people kasi walang tutulugan. Masyado nang late para mag-book ng iba. So, to do here.
Shoot. I have shoes. Of course, not going to be that simple, huh?
Making things complicated. Ilaw tayo. So, kailangan bumili ni Pao ng ticket doon para makalabas kami rito at wala na kaming time. Well, may 20 minutes pa pala. Kaya nakuha na ni Pao. Sa flower pot. Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. See. Na tayo.
Yeah, my passport is. Oh,
Vamos, love.
oh.
Your butt hurt?
Yeah,
From
not
sitting?
really bad, but like
Your back?
back me, lower back me.
It's cold. Malamig pa. It's cold, love.
20 more minutes, longer minutes.
50 minutes. Okay.
Make it
Oof, it's cold.
so tight.
Yeah, very tight schedule, guys. Patay kami kung na-miss namin to. Ito na kami.
Very long day.
Very long day. Shoot and... So, dito na kami. Umabot pa kami in time. At buti na lang dinala ko yung passport saka yung permit namin. Kasi yun yung kinuha.
Okay, so here I need City Street and City. I'll just come tomorrow, take any ticket.
Okay.
Yeah? Just tomorrow. 49.
Okay. Thank you.
What is that? An exit ticket for
Exit
what?
ticket, yeah, for parking. So you can enter, but you cannot exit without coming here and getting the code.
Oh my shoot.
So I think if you come here without a reservation, you have to then.
Kunin na namin yung importante yung gamit sa parking dito sa may kotse at magpahinga na kami kasi super tiring ng araw namin ngayon. Super tiring and super haba at nanginginig ako sa lamig. Kulang ang aking subot.
Already.
Okay, dala na natin ang ating luggage. Ang dami naming dala, sobra. 1 week vacation in the same hotel.
Well, if you want to spend extra day,
We'll see na. Hanapin natin yung 429. Yun yung room. Wow! Amazing! Tingnan nyo to kung ano. Pagpasok mo, ito yung bubungad sa'yo. And this, may ano siya. Ito yung loob niya. Double size. Queen size. Queen size, love? Queen size?
double bed.
Double bed. That's it. Oh, what's the view?
Okay, I can
Not
definitely see it's old, but it's big.
It's
We
big.
have a sofa.
We have a sofa. We can fit
Actually-
another person here.
Yeah, another person to sleep here.
But there is the light. Only this is the light.
This and this.
Guys, andito na kami at kakain na kami ngayon ni Pao. After 15 hours of journey, we'll be able to rest. Ito yung pinaka-extreme na biyaheng ginawa namin ni Pao. Dahil 15 hours straight. Meron naman break, but sobrang nakakapagod eh. Sobrang nakakapagod. Nang haggard na namin yan. So, kain lang kami. And that's it. See you tomorrow, okay? Bye!